Photoshop is now a word in the dictionary. It's a pretty complex piece of imaging software used widely in the business world. Photoshop skills are an extremely useful tool while working anywhere in the business world, because your business and your clients will always need graphic modifications for their products and advertisements. I am going to show you my software quick tips for using Photoshop quickly to improve your business products, ads, and getting your graphics back to the customer with professionalism. In this photo that I have open right now, you can see that there's a sign in the middle of the frame and the client wants us to remove it. There is a straightforward way to do this, and I'll show you how. First, select the Spot Heal Brush tool by either pressing the J key or by pressing on its icon in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You can adjust the size of the brush by pressing the plus and minus keys. When you have the appropriate brush size, you are going to click and completely brush over the whole object. Release your mouse and let Photoshop take care of the rest. Once you are done with the edit that your client has requested, you are going to need to know how to get the image back to them in a format that they requested. To export an image, the first step is to click on File at the top left of your screen. Next, you are going to hover over the Export option. Once the drop-down box appears, you have two options for exporting. You can either choose Quick Export as a PNG, which will save the image as a PNG file, or you can pick Export As, which will give you more options to make changes to the image, such as image size, canvas size, etc.